Hey, this is Mark, just updating on the job scheduling. So I'll go through all piece by piece, but when you set up the system, you're going to create your teams, or it could just be individual people. You're going to set their working hours. So if I've got a job here, duration of 1 hour, we've set 9 hours of work, it will show that there's 8 hours available here. And also, if you want to book jobs that are in close proximity from each other, you can then be able to see, have a look, and see what the different postcodes are and where you're close to them. You've also got different day view, week view, month view. So if we jump through to the week view, my internet's a bit slow here, so it's going a bit slow. So once you jump through, you can see all your different appointments on here. If someone calls in and says, are you free at 10 o'clock, you can look, see who's free, click in, automatically select the job, open that up. You can assign this to a specific team if you wanted. So select team A, put the title, the events, but then here, I'm just going to create this on a clash. So forth, if I choose 10, closing time, 11, set this. So now I can create this as a recurring appointment. So within the recurring, you can select weeks, month, depending on what you want. So repeat every 2 weeks for the next, say, 10 times. You can select what day you want. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to put this today so I can create a clash and then check availability. Automatically, it will show you in white what's available, and then in the red, it will show you your clashes. So when you open up, you'll see what's here. You can drag this, change this to a time that you're available to, or you can just drag this up to another day. If you're full on this day, you can just drag this into here. Sorry. And then choose the day here, choose another day, and then see where you're actually available and pull that through to where you need. So if this is not free, you can drag it back up and move it to another day. And then each one you iron out your clashes. So if I had the next one, I could iron out the clashes here. And then once I've done all my clashes, then I know I'm available on all of these times and all of these days are set, then I can just book these in and this will automatically schedule everything. But this way you can schedule across multiple times and find all the clashes immediately. Additionally, if you've got a job that you've set, so here you can drag and drop. So if I needed to drag this down to here, I can change the time. It will just reset itself and then drag down. One of the things I didn't show, if I just edit this one, is you can also set your travel times. So if you need to add travel times to jobs to have a buffer between jobs, you can set these up here. You have got your month viewer over here. And then lastly, what we found for a lot of people is one of the biggest issues is their team schedules. So lots of guys not turning up to work, sick, etc. So you can come on, have all your different staff, set them what teams they're going to work in for the next week. So you can change it here from the week view, see and change, see who's on sick, who's on annual leave, etc. And that way you can then decide, because once you've scheduled your jobs and those are scheduled, you now need to schedule which guys and which teams for those jobs. So if there's any issues with any of this, please just get in touch with us. We'll jump on a Zoom and show you through.